Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing subscription unboxing for the month of March. That's a mouthful. So I get 2 bundles in here. Comes with a variety of clothes and normally a piece of jewelry. So there is a return label. If there's anything you don't want, doesn't fit right, you don't like the pattern, you throw it back in the bag, put the label on. You're only charged for what you keep. It's very easy. I have 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a necklace. So I will show them to you briefly, then I'll insert pictures and prices at the end. So very simple. Oh, I haven't had this brand before. Love Richie, maybe? Is how you say that? Oh, it's a dress, it looks like. I like the sleeves, they're real wide. Bet that looks really pretty on. And beautiful shade too. It's a nice blue. Then we have some cozy pants. Kind of like a military green shade. Drawstring, pockets here, pockets down here, and then they're tapered at the bottom. Those look very comfy. Then we have some work pants. New mix. So they're stretchy with a pretty thick band. Pockets. Love when they put pockets on dress pants. Those are adorable. I tend to get like the same brands. So these are all new so far. Let me see what this one is. Oh, that's Zena. So I have got them before, but the other 2 are new. Then there's a necklace, just a simple little circle with a little ball in the center. That's pretty. And then 2 tops. One's a darker blue. This one's by Sheila Rose. And this is a very low cut. It crisscrosses over. So probably would have to wear something under that. But we'll see. And the last one. Another one from Sheila Rose. I think I received this before, but in a different color. Again, it's like that military green. It's mesh just at top. And then it's long sleeves, and it goes down. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. So I'll go ahead and insert the prices and the pictures. And if you're interested, check out the description box below. I have all the information there. Bye, guys.